I've been told that love can hurt sometimes.
YouTube, what is up? What is good, you guys? It's the Boul. Nate clears out a cough, but I'm present and accounted for still. Before we get to the video, hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 3,000 subscribers. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share it around to everybody that you know. And today we got an unboxing. We got this lovely box right here. So get the jar open. Hope I can. Yee. But yeah, I got another Nike release here. I just got this on retail. It was a pretty easy cop. I don't think it was really a hype shoe, but it was something that I was like, caught my eye, had a little intrigue to it, so went after for it and got it. And of course, I'm like rubbing this to pieces. These packaging errors, man, I'll tell you. Okay. But yeah, let's see here. You got a Jordan box. You got a Jordan box. Boul, or is it? I love that site, man. I listen to that. Excuse me. I like seeing that 23. And ooh, yes. Oh, this is clean, boy. And we have a pair of the Armory navy, and man, for some reason in the camera it looks brighter than this. Like the navy looks much darker than it does. Like on camera it looks like a brighter navy, I guess, because like that's probably because like the light and everything. But actually in hand it's like actually a darker navy. But this is a clean colorway. I got some right here on the shoe, but yeah, this feels nice. Like the leather itself, it feels good. It feels a little stiff, but it's definitely some good quality leather. I see the bottoms, pretty standard Jordan 1 bottom. Got the nice little like Nike Air right there. Yeah, man, this is a nice shoe. Got the hold on, let's see. I'm gonna try to move around, but obviously got like the Jordan logo inside. If you can really see that. But yeah, this is a clean colorway. And like I said, I got this for retail, so I know this was like 120, I think. But yeah, like this might be a shoe you could rock in the spring, but this is kind of like more like a fall colorway. So it's a darker navy. So, but you can definitely get away with this in the springtime for sure. But yeah, this is like just a simple Jordan 1, easy, just throwing on with some jeans. You probably may get away like me like a light wash or like a dark wash or maybe like a black jean probably would be I guess ideal. But yeah, man, this is yeah, this is just clean, man. Also, by the way, I got my true to size 11. You know, you can go true to size on Jordan 1s. And also, man, like I like the mids. Like I know some people are not really a fan of the mids, but I like the mids a lot. I'm just really a fan of them. I mean, sure, like, cause like normally like the mids have like some pretty fun colorways. Like normally, like they're like it's kind of like Nike like tries like different colorways on the mids, and then they might eventually see them on like the highs. But I'm like, this is a pretty standard Jordan 1 colorway. Just everything here is like the blue. They got like some white here on the side, right there in the toe box. I mean, can't complain. You just can't complain about the shoe, man. Yeah, I like it. I just like it, man. I kind of like just noticed like this part here too. I'm not sure it doesn't like every Jordan, but cause like I do like kind of like a little like pull thing, but no, it's just on there. So, but yeah, just standard clean Jordan 1, man. But as always, if you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. I actually do have another unboxing I gotta do, but I'm probably gonna drop that maybe a couple days later. So, and then it's gonna be kind of similar to the show. I'll give you a quick heads up, but it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different, but as always, like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time.